through. She didn't give a fuck, no, she had given up. She was alive, she was caught on fire. She was everything, she was all of it. Opened up and laid it all right there. She said, I don't mind, no, I don't care. I'll help you shovel out my shallow hole. And I know they're threatening, but at least we're not the ones carrying such heavy, heavy, heavy stoning stones. And yeah, I know they'll get you down, pull you in and drag it out, 'cause me and you, we are one of a kind. She liked to lose, never Sunday.